Alright, peoples. So, we are in Citi Trends right now. In the men's section. And I'm just looking for a hat that I can wear. Because I kind of got tired of the hats I have right now. So I probably want something different to rock with. I gotta excuse my voice a little bit. I had just left from Popeye, so what is this right here? I'm not sure what this is, guys, but okay, I see they got look at this, y'all, the Tommy Hilfiger. Got a Tommy Hilfiger, Champions. I see other hats that they got up there. So I'm thinking, wait a minute, y'all. I see they got an Adidas hat that's right there. So this is the only section that they have. Okay, there goes some shoes. This is the men's shoes section. By the way, this is Citi Trends, everyone. So I just figure we can just go shop around. Yeah, they don't. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm looking for, guys. But they got socks. They got the pillows. It says Carolina Panthers. Wallets. Oh, I like this one right here, y'all. Now this wallet right here is kind of similar to what I have. This looks similar to what I have right now with me, but yeah, let me show y'all. They got, most of the colognes. But yeah, it's been a long while since I vlogged. I have not vlogged like this in a minute, y'all, but I just want to show y'all what. See, they got the sign that says, please do not spray perfumes. And they got like, okay. So they got a Rockaware boxer briefs. Yeah, everyone, I would think that Citi Trends will have more selections on hats, but I think this is all they have. So, but put y'all on pause. Okay, so that's the Fila section right there. They got like different varieties of them. Yeah, this is where you first come in at. See? Yeah, everybody. They got that's the little clearance section. See where it says $1. They got some shirts that's like $1, $3, $5. This section right here. Then they said they got a little love wave, only 10% down, no setup fee. All right, y'all. We're gonna move on to something else. So we'll catch y'all back later. All right, y'all. Since it's really been a while, since I vlog, since vlogging and everything, I just want to show y'all little sights here. Something I haven't done in a while, but I'm not gonna take too long, y'all. But right over there is the barber shop where it says Premier Cuts. We got a little Chinese restaurant. That's the plasma place right over here. That's the plasma place. There's a rent center, Rainbows. We got a Food Line. Anyway, y'all, this is Sycamore Square shopping center. You got Metro PCS, Boost Mobile. They got a little section where they do your, get your nails done. Yeah, everyone. By the way, y'all, I just left from there, by the way, that barbershop over there. Anyway, if y'all in the Fayetteville area, check out Premier Cuts. They got excellent, they do excellent service over there. Awesome, excellent service. They'll take care of you, you know what I'm saying? Especially if you need any haircuts. Yeah, everyone, I'm just taking a little tour, show y'all. That's the Citi Trends right there I just left out from. They got a gym, there's a little gym spot. And then next to it is the Hibachi Grill. And so yeah. Yes, everyone, so like I say, I'm not gonna do too much rambling during this vlog. So I'm walking my way towards the bus stop. Not sure. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. There's a bus stop like right there, in which I'm about to get on in a few minutes, because it will be coming up in 5 minutes. As you see, it's right there. See that little hut right there? That's the bus stop area. So this is where I'm going to be heading to get to my destination. All right, I made it to my destination. So this is where I sit down at, wait on the bus, the little bus hut. There's Popeyes, there's Krispy Kreme. I don't know if y'all can see it because that tree is covering it. And right across the street, there's the laundromat, wash house, flea market. There's some people over there at the other bus stop. I guess they're waiting on the bus to come on that other side. And that is the fast bus stop. Y'all want to know information about where to go at? Phone number's right there. Phone number's right there, folks. 910-433-1747. And there's bus route 14. There's bus route 14. That's heading downtown. I should have just crossed that street and then catch it, because there's some. I should just go ahead and cross there now, actually, to get out this heat. Finally made it, y'all. Had to cross the street on the other side. See where it says welcome to Fast. That's bus route 14, coach 721. About to get on this bus right now here, folks. I may be a little out of breath. That's the fare box right there. Hello, how you doing? And we are on our way to our destination. There's a lot of people talking, y'all, but I will catch you guys in a little bit. It's your boy HNIC rolling right here. Hey, listen, man, it's I ain't gonna talk too much longer, because as you see, it is pouring, mad raining out there. Y'all see them cars? Y'all see all that going on? I'm telling you, it's pouring down here. Pouring down out here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. So let me go ahead and just send y'all a message real quick, because I'm not gonna be up here for too long. But I want to say this, man. Hey, when it rains, it pours. You feel me? When it rains, it pours. So we all gotta appreciate not only the sunshine, but we also gotta appreciate when it rains too. So let's be mindful of what we do in life. You know what I'm saying? Let's be mindful about what we do and the choices that we make, because we all make choices every day. It's the power of choice, you feel me? And I want to say this too, you know, for, you know, everyone that's, you know, for those who are watching, you know, hey, make good decisions, make better decisions, and be wise enough to know the difference. That's all I got for y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I just want to say I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. HNIC rolling right here. I'll be coming at y'all with some more videos, and like I said, I just want to be transparent with y'all, man, and let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, there gonna be times like this. It's gonna be times are gonna happen like this. You know what I'm saying? Just letting y'all know that. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get on up out of here. But I just want to come and just talk to y'all for a minute. Because, I mean, you know, me standing around watching kind of make me see things a better clearer. You got to appreciate the good and the bad, the sunshine and the rain. So always remember that, folks. Hey, peoples. It's your boy HNIC. I'm about to in search for a microwave. Now, what I am searching is for a nice microwave. I think I found one. Is this one right here? We're gonna take a look at this. Nice controls, door handle, very nice, 1,000 watts. And I believe it's this box right here. And this one is $77. So yeah, it's a Hamilton Beach brand, and I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase it. I was looking at other brands, like this one here. Still the same one. These are the same models as you see right here, and then there go all the other ones. Now I would love to get this one. This one here has a very nice, kind of like this one right here too. This one, you know what I'm saying, a little bit small. And this blue one, I'm surprised that they still got this blue one right here. Because my friend of mine, she brought this microwave a couple of years ago. As you see, they got it right there on top, right here. That's the light blue one, and then that's the white one. But anyway, y'all, I'm not gonna just, I'm gonna go ahead and get my microwave, and I'm gonna try to stay out this heat, because it's very, very hot outside right now. This humidity weather is just killing me. But as you see, there go another one up at the top right there. But anyway, y'all, I will gonna show y'all the demonstration once I get home and I get settled and everything. Then I'll be good to go. Let's take a look. I'm gonna show y'all what Walmart has right here. As you go from here, you go from crock pots to pressure cookers, air fryers, going all the way down. right, y'all. It's hot outside. I'm gonna go ahead and get this microwave. I needed to get a new one because the old one I had was 15 years old and it served its purpose. It served well, but time to end it. So, matter of fact, y'all, which of these Hamilton Beach microwaves should I get? That silver or the black stainless steel one? I'm gonna let y'all pick the wild guess, alright? But let me go ahead and get going, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright, everybody, the boy is back at it again. So here I am at the home. I'm getting ready to, y'all see this right here. Yeah, this old microwave, General Electric. It has served me well for 15 years, but now I'm about to go ahead and get rid of this thing and let this new microwave right here by Hamilton Beach, you know what I'm saying, let that take its place. So I'm getting ready to basically go ahead and get this microwave out of here and clean this counter up a little bit, and we're going to be showing you the demonstration on the brand new microwave that I'm about to go ahead and install. So hold on tight, I'll be right back.